Begin seated with your lower legs folded directly under your thighs and the top of your feet flat on the ground. Stretch the front of your ankle joints one side at a time by bringing your knee up toward your chest. With your hands on the ground on either side of you, bring both knees up at the same time toward your chest, keeping the top half of your feet on the ground. Finish in a downward dog position and fully straighten out one leg at a time so that the heel touches the ground. Alternate from side to side. This routine is helpful in conditioning the soft tissues that surround your ankle joints, which is necessary for experiencing optimal balance and agility. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more suggestions on how to improve your mobility and health. And for our most recent self-care suggestions, please use the link here to subscribe to our newsletter. All of this helps us produce more useful content. Thank you and see you again soon.